What's the worst case of a school blaming the victim? For weeks, Emma kept coming home saying she couldn't read what the teacher wrote. I asked if she needed to sit closer, but she said Mrs. Garcia told her to try harder and stop making excuses. Emma started squinting constantly and getting headaches. When I suggested she tell her teacher about the headaches, she said Mrs. Garcia had already moved her to the front row, but it didn't help. Then Emma started getting zeros on copying assignments. The work she did turn in was completely wrong. Math problems with random numbers, spelling words that made no sense. When I emailed asking why her grades were dropping, Mrs. Garcia replied that Emma was deliberately not participating and seeking attention through disruptive behavior. I asked Emma what she meant by disruptive. She said she kept asking classmates what the board said, and Mrs. Garcia told her to stop bothering other students. The problems got worse. Emma came home saying she couldn't see the lunch menu and didn't know what food she was getting. She'd been eating mystery meals for weeks. During recess, she started staying inside because she couldn't see the playground equipment clearly and kept tripping. Mrs. Garcia marked this as refusing to participate in physical activity. Emma's confidence plummeted. She stopped raising her hand in class and became withdrawn. She told me she felt stupid because everyone else could see things she couldn't. The final straw came when they gave her lunch detention for refusing to copy the math problems from the board. When I picked her up that day, Emma was crying. She said she'd stared at the board for the entire math lesson but couldn't make out any numbers. I immediately called the school demanding to speak with Mrs. Garcia. She insisted Emma was being defiant and said other students had no trouble seeing the board. I asked if anyone had considered vision problems. Mrs. Garcia scoffed and said Emma's vision was fine during reading time because she could see her books. I scheduled a parent conference for the next day. Mrs. Garcia came prepared with a folder full of Emma's behavioral incidents. She listed everything: asking classmates for help, refusing to copy from the board, not participating. Has anyone actually tested her vision? I asked. She's just not applying her